Yo, Oreva, Monkey D. Rufy, welcome back to another video. And this video is gonna be about how I brought KR5 Luffy to life. In short, how I shot the green screen footages and the process I did to brought it to life. So let's begin with the process. अरे यहीं पे better paper. Better paper बोल रहा हूँ butter paper. There we go. We are gonna use this to diffuse the light and make it smooth. Here's the setup I did. I had my own moonlight. Ta-da! Here's the green screen. It's here. सेटअप करना बाकी है. लाइटिंग इज डन. एक ऑन करने तो एंड माई ओन विंड, माई टेबल फैन. लाइट भी बंद रखे है. देखो कितना अजीब लग रहा है. यू नो एक ही लाइट है. ठीक है, ओनली वन लाइट देयर एंड बाकी कुछ नहीं है. ये तो आराम से सोई हुई है यार. इसको कोई मतलब है ही नहीं कुछ. देख रहे हो राइट नाउ, राइट? जस्ट सी. ठीक है, this is how it looks before the detail lighting. This is how it looks with the detail lighting. Okay guys, मैंने यहाँ वहाँ पे पंखा भी लगा दिया. Well boy, oh boy, joy boy. The first phase of shooting was kind of, मैं पहले सैंडल्स पहनना भूल गया. Then I wore the sandals. Then मेरा हाथ कट हो रहा था. सोफा बीच में आ रहा था. का मैं पोस्ट में देख लूँगा विच वन आई एम गोना यूज. द सीन वन हैज़ बीन डन. सेकेंड वन इज ओके. द फर्स्ट इज द सेकेंड वन इज स्ट्रॉ हैट्स वॉइस वेंट साइलेंट. हो जाओ नेवर वेंट. में यहाँ पे दिखा दे रहा हूँ ये वाला फटाफटी वाला सीन शूट करने के लिए लेते हैं. लेट्स गो. सो दिस सीन, मुझे यहाँ पे फ़ोन लिटरली विद द रोप्स एंड ऑल, लाइक 4 ropes, 1 2 3 and 4, and we'll shoot that scene. Good. Well, here's the spider phone.
I missed the part where that's my problem.
And थोड़ा सा वोबली है रे. मैंने थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा क्रेनिंग किया है. पंखे से लगा दी. Okay, so this is how it was, the aerial view. And you can see 2 rings on the green screen. Those were my marking points for the camera. Yes. If you guys are wondering, these for the reference footage for the heartbeat scene. And this was the reference for the hand scene. ये रोप लगा है. मैंने ये वाला पार्ट है ना, हेयर का मॉडिफाई अभी तक किया नहीं है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ इट. व्हाट वी हैव विल शूट. Okay, so then I started shooting the rest of the scenes, the reference for the each scene. Yeah, I had to guide my own waist cloth because I was my own director. It was time to shoot the bolt scene, the lightning bolt scene, when Luffy grabs the lightning bolt. Here's the reference. I had to shoot 2 footages. First where I am grabbing the air, yes, and the second footage where I am grabbing the lightning bolt, so that I can merge them together. I guess you are getting the idea. And then finally it was the muscle scene, and then it was the smile scene. The easiest one in the entire process. Well, done with the Gear 5 ka shooting, and this is my main source of light, the moonlight. And it's literally 8:30 now. 8:20, sorry, 8:20. 5th May it is today, by the way. So let's go and fatavat edit and we are gonna upload it. This was I can breathe now. Shit. But it was worth it. Like, time to clean everything up. शुरू किया हमने. Took me 5 hours. Shit. 5 hours for Gear 5th. Worth it. So after shooting the entire scene, I was happy with the results, and then it was time for the main magic to happen. I guess आपको similarity दिख रही होगी. So that exact scene I recreated in Unreal Engine using its assets, fire, ground. ये सब कुछ मिल जाएगा Unreal में. There's everything in Unreal Engine. So I made that background है ना, जो green screen का मैं replace करने वाला. I'm gonna recreate it right now. Onigashima top floor. The main thing about me is that I didn't have a particular plan, a perfect plan to execute this. In my mind, there was only one thing. I have to enter and I have to do it. And there's an animated explosion scene which I did entirely in Blender. So, boom. Yes, this. Exactly. this is my concept. I took the motivation I needed and exactly how I'm gonna animate. I'm gonna recreate the scene. Slowly and slowly creating my own explosion. Wait, I'll show you. Animation play कर दिया and here we go. Boom. In order to create the वो बॉक्स वाला इफेक्ट ना, मैं 1 मिनट में दिखा देता हूँ आपको. ब्लॉक्स. तो ये वाला इफेक्ट मैं इससे क्रिएट करूँगा. बेस इफेक्ट तो हो गया. बेस जो डेब्रिस का इफेक्ट है ना, ये वाला. इट्स डन. एग्जैक्टली गाइस, लिटरली 2 मिनट भी नहीं हुए एंड इट्स अ सक्सेस. डैम. अभी बस द मेन थिंग इज गोना बी द रेंडर. ओके, ये सेट हो चुका है एंड हम लोग बस फाइल सेव कर देंगे एंड लेट्स सी हाउ इट्स गोना लुक. रेडी? 1 2 3. परफेक्ट. और क्या चाहिए? परफेक्ट ब्लॉक्स जस्ट लाइक एनिमे. टा. वेल ओके गाइस, इट्स लुकिंग ऑसम, बट मुझे पता नहीं है कि रेंडर कैसे कर पाऊंगा मैं भी, क्योंकि इट्स हेवी. And then after doing that, I finally placed animated Luffy in the middle of the scene. The renders I did in Unreal Engine, Blender, and the green screen footage, I merged them all together in After Effects. First, when the idea struck my mind, I was like, I should do it. I already have a Gear 5th Luffy ka cosplay, and I was like, yeah, halfway the work is done, but not exactly halfway. But yeah, pretty halfway, but still not halfway, but halfway. Yeah. And then finally it was time for the sound process and putting all the elements together. I used DaVinci Resolve. Sound, the final elements, fogs, color correction, and just like that, Gear 5th Luffy came to life. And the part you guys are waiting for.
Straw Hat Luffy is dead.
Straw Hat's voice went silent. Seems he was no match for an emperor.
Luffy is dead!
Momonosuke, I can hear them.
I don't understand.
Zunisha, what are you talking about?
It's been so long. I can hear the drums of liberation for the first time in 800 years. He's here. I'm sure of it. Joy Boy has returned!
Even though I lost the fight, for some reason I'm having fun! Monkey King muscles! Muscles!
He fought and frolicked as he fancied, bringing a smile to people wherever he went. The warrior of liberation, or as others called him, the Sun God, Nika.